this you're going to need some kale, some beetroot, apple, pear, banana. We've got a drink here just as the base. So chuck all the ingredients after you've put in the liquid, as whatever you can fit. Chuck in bananas and all the rest of it. Yummy. Now use whatever you've got, NutriBullet, a Fling Flang, whatever. Just mix it for as long as you feel is necessary. Then just get your molds. We use these little ones. We just pour these straight in here. Kids absolutely love this. Just put the lids on, whatever your molds are. And once you've done this, chuck them in the freezer. Depends on the temperature of the ingredients and your freezer, but usually this is ready in about 4 to 6 hours. Ho 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 ho. So good.